Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Check her out, y'all. Just finished this thing up. I've got another one that's going to look almost exactly like it. It's 5160 spring steel, brass pins, lanyard hole. It has the G10 spacers. And polished up just as pretty as I can get it. I got another one that's coming up. It's going to be almost identical to this one. And then I'm going to make one more. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it on my members only page. We'll be doing a lot of cool stuff on my members only page, things that I can't show on regular YouTube. I'm going to be showing on my members only page. A lot of cool upcoming things. I've got some gear coming out. Homemade gear. Store-bought gear. Here's the giveaway knife. It's got my glow-in-the-dark rings on it. There'll be a few giveaways. And a lot of great deals on some gear. Like knives, bushcraft knives. And other things. That is beautiful, ain't it? I didn't think I would like that G10 spacers as much as I do. I tried the blue ones once before, but I didn't like it too good. But I do like the orange. It just makes it pop. Pop, pop, pop like popcorn. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Hopefully I see you over there on my members only page.